Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Are you tired of your laptop sounding like a jet engine? In this video, I will show you how to reduce laptop fan noise just by changing one simple setting in Windows. First, let's go to the Windows search bar and type Control Panel. Then open it. Here, we select Hardware and Sound. Then go to Power Options. In this page, here we click Change Plan Settings. Then go to Change Advanced Power Settings. Here we go to Processor Power Management. We can see here we have minimal processor state and maximum processor state. So what we're going to do here is to lower the maximum to 70%, 60%, or even 50% for both on battery and plug-in. This setting controls how much of your CPU's power Windows is allowed to use. At 100%, your processor can hit its maximum speed, which also generates more heat. When your CPU gets hotter, the cooling fans ramp up to keep it from overheating. And that's where the loud noise comes from. By lowering the maximum processor state, your CPU runs a bit slower, producing less heat. Less heat means the cooling fans don't have to work that hard. So this way, we can reduce the fan noise. And if you don't use your laptop for heavy video games, it doesn't matter that much that your CPU runs a bit slower. So here I'm going to change the maximum to 70% for both on battery and plug-in. Then click Apply. The fan noise might not be reduced right away. We might need to turn the computer off, let the system cool down, and then turn on the laptop again to see if it will work. If it doesn't work, we might need to play with the numbers to change the maximum to 60% or 50%, and then give it a try. And that's the tip of the day. Hope this can help you out. Let me know what you think in the comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.